Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI Playbook. Today I'm going to show you a small tutorial about the customer sorting for the stacks bar chart visual by using index column. So let's see how we can do that. So this is the data set that I'm going to use today. It has country and target. So first we check what's the typical behavior. So we can add a stack bar chart, and then when it comes to country, we add it to y-axis and target x-axis. So we can use the sorting by using here country. Then it will be sorted according to ascending or descending order that we set here, right? So set ascending, so then a to z will come, or else we can set it to the sum of targets. So then the targets also we can set it to ascending or descending order. So that's a typical behavior when it comes to stack bar chart sorting. So now we see how we can do a bit of a transformation here. For that, we go to transformation data, transform data, right? In the transform data, we want to add an index column. For that, we go to add column option and we say index column. We can say starting from one, add an index column. So now, as you can see, index column is been added. Right, so now we want to set the, let's say, sorting order, we need to set it here. So for that, let's say if I want to get the Poland first and US second, like that custom order, what you need to do is you need to go and replace the value here. So then you can replace 4 with 0, right? And then you can set, let's say, USA, maybe you can set it 10, right? Any sorting order you can add. This one, we can say 4, something like that, right? So you can add any sorting order that you want to have in here, the sorting order that you want to have for the country, right? And then go home, close and apply. Now we come to table view. This is the interesting one. Now we need to set the sorting of country based on the index value, right? So for that, we select the country column here like that. So we can select the country and go to column tools here, and then sort by column. We use index column instead of country. So then what will happen? The country will be sorted based on the index value. So this is how we use the index value for sorting. And then we come here, right? And now if we sort by country, right? So this will be sorted according to the order we set in the index, right? For an example, if you sort by ascending, the lowest value will come. Let's see. So Poland is a 0. So the 0 will come here. Then the UK is, I guess, the second. Yes, second value will be UK, and it sorted according to the index order, not the A to Z order or Z to A order. So this is how we use index custom column in order to sort stack by chart by using the customer sorting technique. Thank you and keep in touch for more Power BI videos.